Checking your transaction history on PlayStation is essential for managing your purchases and subscriptions. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction history. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app on your device. Enter your account credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile section or under the menu options. Step 3. Access transaction history. In the account settings, find the section labeled Transaction History or Purchase History. Click on this option to view your past transactions. Step 4. Review your transactions. You will see a list of all your transactions, including purchases, subscriptions, and any refunds. You can click on individual transactions for more details. Step 5. Log out. After reviewing your transaction history, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared device to keep your account secure. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your purchases and manage your PlayStation account effectively.